Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Shanta Dwivedi. So first of all, sorry, I was feeling little under the weather and because of that I was not able to upload shorts or videos frequently, but here I am. And in today's video we will be covering a very interesting and futuristic chapter of class 9th, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. And I bet after this lesson you will realize how special you actually are with the current school system of education. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting from the background of the story, this chapter is set in future and it is year 2157, where children no longer go to schools and they all had mechanical teachers. Mechanical teacher means they had robots. Everything is computer based, so they don't have human teachers. The teachers don't have human emotions or feelings. They all are robots and everything is computer based. So in this chapter there are two characters, Margie and Tommy. They both are of around same age, 11 year and 13 year. And Margie, who is an 11-year-old girl with a friend, they both find a paper book in the attic and they both were very much surprised with that book because they have never seen any paper book because they used to study with ebook. So for them that paper book was something they had never seen. So after reading what was in the book, they started comparing the old school system and the present school system where they used to study, and they both were shocked to know that in the early school system students were used to sit together under the same roof. So basically, if we talk about the summary of the chapter, there are two characters, Margie and Tommy, and they both are of same age. Margie is an 11-year-old girl and Tommy is a 13-year-old boy, and they both found a book in the attic and that book was a paper book. तो उन लोगों ने दोनों ने ही कभी भी पेपर बुक नहीं देखी थी बिकॉज द स्टोरी सेट इन फ्यूचर एंड एवरीथिंग इज कंप्यूटर बेस्ड. सो दे यूज टू स्टडी फ्रॉम ई बुक्स. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बुक्स जो होती थी उनसे वो लोग पढ़ाई करते थे. तो नाउ दे बोथ फाउंड दैट बुक एंड दे स्टार्टेड रीडिंग इट. तो दे वर वेरी शॉक्ड कि ना, जैसे अब वी कैन चेंज द साइज ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, वी कैन चेंज द वे इट इज रिटन, वी कैन डू इट इन आवर ओन वे. ओके, बट in the paper book no letter was moving, everything was there and there was no movement in the book. So they both were very shocked, and when they read the whole book they started comparing उन schools को जो book में उन्होंने पढ़े थे और उनका खुद का in which they used to study. So they concluded that in the schools जो उन्होंने book में पढ़ा, students used to go together, learn together, have fun together, eat together under the same roof they used to study, and the teachers were actual humans and the teachers have emotions and feelings. But those mechanical teachers, the teacher Margie and Tommy had, they don't have any emotions or feelings at all. तो मार्गी को अपना मैकेनिकल टीचर ना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था बिकॉज जो उसका मैकेनिकल टीचर था ही यूज टू स्कोल्ड हर, और उसको बेचारी को समझ में भी नहीं आता था तो भी शी had to anyhow complete the homework or do whatever the teacher asked. But she used to hate her teacher a lot क्योंकि कुछ emotions और feelings नहीं थे और कोई connection नहीं बन पा रहा था student और teacher का. So when the class began, Margie in her class she was thinking about the time when students used to go to a school, a building where everyone was sitting under the same roof. They all used to study and do everything which you guys do in your school, and she was thinking about the fun they had. So the fun the students in the past used to have, she was thinking about that fun. And this story ends with the message that technology can never replace a human teacher, and the story explains that the technology can never replace the human touch in the education system. It doesn't matter कितनी भी technology आ जाए, कितने ही robots पढ़ाएं, कितने ही chat GPT आ जाए, अलग अलग platforms आ जाएं, but जो एक human टीचर का और एक स्टूडेंट का जो कनेक्शन होता है दैट इज वेरी प्योर एंड पायर्स, एंड दैट इज completely based on the interaction between the human and the teacher. So other than this, this chapter also tells us that learning becomes more joyful and impactful if students of the same age or the same group are learning together. And it also tells us that real classrooms in which you guys are studying, they build memories, they build emotions, they build friendships, and studying in the classroom with your friends, your classmates, it is such a good experience which everyone should have in their life. Important questions अगर हम discuss करें इस chapter के, तो there are few important questions which are being asked in the exam, and they are, first of all, the age of Margie and Tommy, and how and what did they find in the attic. Other than this, why did Margie used to hate her school a lot? What was the surprising thing that Margie read about in the book she found? And the fourth question, which is important from this chapter's POV, is the message which is being transferred, or which is being given from this chapter. So that was the fun they had by Isaac Asimov. And if you enjoyed the explanation and the chapter, so please like, comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.